Well, good morning, William Williams, Philippines. It is Monday, July 28th, 2025. It is 9:05 p.m. Uh, in the evening. It's been a fairly long day. I got over and went to get my an appointment to see the eye doctor, and actually got an evaluation. They checked my eyes, and they've got me scheduled to go get measurements for my cataract surgery on Thursday around noon. Show up there and get in line. Yay! And today's visit, even with them dilating my eyes, was, let's see, 607 pesos. So 550, or no, 1150. Yeah, because $10 is 500 pesos. Yeah, less than $12. Yeah. Anyway, they had me go through and do all kinds of tests. I go back on Thursday to get the measurements done. And yeah, yay, that's positive. On the way out, I dropped my laundry down and got it washed. 180 pesos for 7 kilos. Yeah, well, let's see. At 55 pesos to the dollar, that's a little low, but it's been staying above that for a while. So 55 pesos, 165 would be $3. 15 more pesos, say 25 cents. $3.25 to get washed, folded, and packaged up, waiting on me to come pick it back up. Yep, wrong way. That big old thing there. I need to get it all out of there. Also swung by and had a cheeseburger with egg, and some Sophia. Anyway, it was a pork one, right along with that, and a Mountain Dew. 149 pesos. Even cheaper than what it cost me to get my laundry done. So, yay. But I got back here and eyes were dilated. Oh, such a fun headache from having so much light get through your eyes and such. Riding a motorcycle back while not having sunglasses, and I have them. I didn't even think to carry them with me today. I might not have been having, yeah. But anyway, I understand being a responsible adult. But every day? Every single day? Yeah, that seems a little excessive. Okay, an hour, 2 hours on a weekday and 30 minutes on Saturday and Sunday sounds reasonable to me. Anyway, got over after having a nap, letting my headache go away. Went and got some food and picked up my laundry. Came back here and decided to go and carry my jeans over to get them turned into shorts. 3 pair cut off and turned into shorts with a hem and such, and The one of them tightened up. Yeah, I think it was 800 pesos. So altering and hemming, yeah, not bad. I'll have 3 more pair of shorts that I know will fit. Blue jeans. I saved 2 pair. That's a good thing. I'm thinking. Anyway, nothing else. I got rid of a bunch of extra weight and heat. Let's see, what else? Oh, went over and picked up a monitor for my desktop, the little Mac Mini. Just got back from getting that, so I am not recommended you buy anything. I'm just saying that's the one I got because, oh yeah, it was not a smart TV, which Samsung literally just admitted to is taking pictures of you while you're sitting in front of it. So, all you folks having a makeout session in front of your TV might want to consider, oh, do you have one in your bedroom? A smart TV? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's watching you while you do what you do. Because it wants to know what product to sell you and how to sell it to you so that your attention will actually be on the TV and the ads instead of doing everything else. So it's actually watching you so it can do that. Samsung literally admitted that like a month or 2 ago. Yet everybody's still getting smart TVs. This is a stupid one. The dumbest one I could find. I just need a monitor. Quite honestly, if that curved 42-inch screen hadn't have been so damn expensive compared to this thing, yeah, I would probably have it. But they want $21,000. This was $7,500. So $7,500. So yeah, a bit of a price disparity there. But it would be nice to have that big, wide. I saw it. I know it's out there. I just don't remember where it was when I saw it. But yes, a curved screen monitor. I really would love to have it, but I can't justify that price. I can justify this, you know, barely. But yeah, I got over and got my eyes taken care of. I'll be going back on Thursday to get the measurements started and talking with the actual surgeon that's going to do it. And then, yeah, I'm going to be getting surgery on my left one here, hopefully sometime next week or the week after. Depends on when the guy can actually schedule me in. At least that's my understanding. They were going to be trying to get me in over, the next couple of weeks for my left eye. They want to get it done and worked out before they proceed. Yeah. So I'm like, okay, because this is the bad eye. It definitely needs something done. I don't know about you, but everything's fuzzy. And no, it's not Wuzzy Was a Bear. But yeah, I'm happy about that. And I'm actually, even when things go sideways, it's okay. I did manage to do the one of these things. It's a Great Taste brand Supreme Breakfast Black Forest Latte with cherry red marshmallows. I think they tasted more like strawberry than cherry, but what is my taste? I tolerate me. What taste could I have? But yeah, I had that for breakfast this morning. And actually, I'm kind of hungry, and part of me wants to cook. The other part says, no, just cook something in the morning. It beats going to bed with right after eating, which is not actually good for you. And since I do actually want to lose the weight, and yeah, my sides are getting a little flabby instead of being solid. So, yay! There's more looseness in my skin. Yeah. I'm happy about that. It's part of the reason I'm out getting walking done and all this. On the days that I do remember to carry this thing, it actually keeps a pretty good record for everything I've done. I just don't always remember to carry it with me. I should. But I'm also having that, do I really want to have a clock? I mean, I like the idea of having one up on the wall. I can look when I want to, and it's there. I have the one on my wrist, and I can look at it when I want to when I'm out and about. So I have a tendency to put it on when I'm going out and about, but not every time. But lately it has been keeping track of me, so that's a good thing. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. You do you. Yeah, it's that way. Left ear, right ear, hard head, God, you, your choice. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and more food. I'm Fish out.